Hi, my name is Gary Cobb, and I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer here at Jitterbit. Today, we'll be focused on two operations that will convert data into an HL7 format and also read an HL7 format and push the result into an app, DrChrono. Now, the idea is that we're going to query this data from a database, transform it to our HL7 ORU data type, and then read that data type and push that patient into DrChrono. Now, the end result is to have our patient in multiple systems, giving access to anybody who might need to access that data in their respective system, that ability. Now, I'll begin by showing our database where you can see I have Jack Sparrow. And we're, of course, going to want to push that patient into our HL7 format and have that living in an SFTP site. I'm going to go ahead and run this process manually within Jitterbit. However, I want to mention this can be scheduled to happen as frequently as every minute or every 5 minutes or 15 minutes if needed. And the idea is that, again, we're querying our Postgres data, transforming it to our HL7 format, and placing that file on our SFTP site. Taking a look at our transformation, you can see that we have our database fields on the left and our HL7 format on the right. And mapping these fields is quite simple as a drag and drop process from left to right. Jitterbit does offer over 250 functions out of the box to help you transform that data should you need further functionality. Now that operation completed. So if we check our SFTP site and refresh, you see we do have our HL7 format. And if we go ahead and download that file and take a look at them in an editor, you see we do have Jack Sparrow in the HL7 ORU format. Now, to round this out, we're going to go ahead and run a second operation in order to read from our SFTP site and then map that data into a JSON format and place them in DrChrono. Now, while this is completing, I want to mention all of these operations are built with a drag and drop process. You see our connectivity pane on the right. Once you establish your sources and targets, you're able to then use basic CRUD operations in order to complete these integrations, stepping through a wizard process in order to configure them. Now that operation had completed, so let's just go ahead and double check that we do have Jack Sparrow in DrChrono as a patient. As mentioned, quite a simple process in order to replicate our patient across many different systems. Now, we've been working with the HL7 ORU format. However, I will mention that we can certainly work with any other type of HL7 document that you might be working with. If you have any questions or would like to see any further examples, please feel free to reach out to myself, gary.cobb@jitterbit.com, or your Jitterbit representative, as we'd be happy to walk through your specific use case and give details around further functionality. Thanks for your time and have a great day.